Hey guys, so I made this video because I went through so much trying to get my hair to the perfect blonde, so I thought that I'd share what worked for me. And if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, stay tuned. So I started off with Wella powder lightener that lifts up to 7 levels, the Salon 30 volume developer, a mixing bowl and brush and gloves because you do not want to get this shit on your hands. Trust me, I know. And I also added this corrector stuff that they told me lessens the damage, and let me tell you, it is a lifesaver. So if you're ever gonna bleach your hair, buy this shit. So I started applying the mixture to the back of my head because they say that it takes a bit longer to process in the back, so I started back there. I ended up letting this process in my hair for about 40 minutes, and these are the results. A lot of work to be done still. So I went ahead and used a toner after this. A T16 toner from Wella Color Charm, and it turned out like this. Lord, why? Round 2. And that's the results of round 2. And here we are now with this Creme of Nature lightest blonde box of hair color. I was optimistic, dancing and whatnot, mad scientisty and everything. Feeling really good. It would not come out of that packet. I don't know what that was about. And then it was stuck in the bottle. Like, really? I did not follow instructions this time. I know you're supposed to start in the back, but I was really focusing on the front because I wear my hair in a ponytail a lot, and I just wanted the front to be fixed because it looks a mess. All about appearances, people. Let the timer for 25 minutes. The big reveal. Why? And for what? Totally pointless. Totally pointless. Upset. So now I do what I should have did in the first place. Tone. This time with the T14. And that's stuff that I thought about earlier. So I just mix that up and apply it with the brush. And I applied it over the whole head, hoping that I would get like some type of even, outcome. So that is after it's all been applied. And I let it sit again for about 20 minutes this time. Alright, and now we come to the moment of truth. The real moment of truth. I have not seen what my hair looks like under this styling. I'm a little nervous, but I'm just hoping that I don't have to walk around looking like a neon carrot anymore. So, here goes. Alright, it's not perfect, not at all, because it was like, already a bunch of different colors from being bleached in certain areas or whatever before, but it looks so much better. Like I can at least go out in public now without a wig on, which is amazing. This is all I really wanted, and I'm mad that I wasted my money on this. This was crap. At least it was crap for me, and my hair was already lightened. I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but this did absolutely nothing for my hair. It was a waste of my $4. I would say not a total Betty, but a vast improvement. Definitely. I look like a human. Like a human, a real human. Like a real life girl. Like, gosh. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. So yeah, this is my finished result. After I added the conditioner on there and stuff like that, and I'm really excited about the way it looks because it took so long for me to achieve this look. Like, you just don't know. And that's me in natural lighting. So you guys can see, I think it turned out really well. And if you're interested in seeing more natural hair videos from me or anything like that, hope that you like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.